Huawei Mate X7 debuts with Kirin 9030 Pro, 50-megapixel XMAGE camera and satellite support. This is the Huawei Mate X7, and if you thought foldables were fragile, bulky, and crease-ridden, hauled your bluff. This is the thinnest, the most durable, and quite possibly the most powerful foldable camera phone on Earth. It shouldn't be possible, but here it is. Today, we dive into the engineering miracle of the new Xuanwu architecture, the stunning XMAGE camera, and whether the incredible hardware can overcome the software hurdle for global users. Let's talk specs that matter. 9.5mm folded, 235 grams. That's lighter than many standard phones. But the headline is the IP59 rating. IP59, that means high-pressure water and, more critically, dust resistance. Dust is the silent killer of foldables. Huawei's new hinge and sealing have finally solved it. They used aerospace-grade aluminum and engineered the crease to disappear. Look at it under this direct light. You have to hunt for the crease, and even when you find it, it barely affects the image. Huawei has officially launched the Mate X7 in China, continuing its push in the premium foldable smartphone segment. The new Mate X7 debuts alongside the Mate 80 series and brings significant hardware and design improvements. The Mate X7 sports a dual-display design, featuring an 8-inch foldable OLED screen, 12:4 2210 pixels, and a 6.49-inch curved OLED outer screen, 2444 x 1080 pixels. Both displays support 120Hz LTPO adaptive refresh rates and 440Hz high-frequency PWM dimming for reduced eye strain. The outer screen hits a peak brightness of 3000 nits, while the inner display reaches 2500 nits. The collector's edition equips second-generation Xuanwu tempered Kunlun glass for enhanced durability, while both panels deliver P3 color gamut and 10.7 billion color support. The device runs on Huawei's Kirin 9030 Pro processor, enabling advanced AI features, enhanced performance, and seamless integration with HarmonyOS 6. The OS brings new smart multitasking tools, AI-assisted note-taking, encrypted sharing, and dynamic window management optimized for foldable screens. The Mate X7 introduces the second-generation Red Maple imaging system with a 50-megapixel main camera, featuring a 10-stop variable aperture, f1.49 to f4.0, a 40-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto macro camera with 3.5x optical zoom and up to 100x digital zoom. It supports 4K HDR video, RAW shooting, and XMAGE imaging tools. For selfies, both the inner and outer screens house 8-megapixel cameras capable of 4K video recording. Huawei includes a 55 mAh battery in the standard Mate X7 and a 5600 mAh battery in the collector's edition. Both models support 66 watts wired fast charging, 50 watts wireless charging, and reverse wireless charging. Huawei uses the Xuanwu folding architecture for the Mate X7, which adopts a tri-layer composite structure and a reinforced water drop hinge made from high-strength rocket-grade steel. The phone weighs about 236 grams, measures 9.5 millimeters when folded, and goes down to 4.5 millimeters when unfolded. It carries IP58 and IP59 protection ratings for water and dust resistance and supports satellite communication. The collector's edition includes both Tiantong satellite calling and Beidou messaging, while the standard version supports Beidou messaging. In terms of connectivity, the Mate X7 features Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0 with LDAC and L2HC codecs, USB-C 3.1 Gen 1, and NFC. The collector's edition supports stylus input and includes the M Pen 3 in select configurations. The Huawei Mate X7 isn't just a phone, it's a statement. It's the closest we have come to the perfect foldable hardware. It is the thinnest, the most durable, and has the most advanced camera system in the category. The price will be premium, but so is the experience. Is it the foldable for you? Only if you can live with the software workaround. If you can, you will own the future of mobile design. What do you think? Drop a comment below. Mate X7 or the Galaxy Z Fold 7? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.